Everyone, it's April Garwood from Banana Moon Studio, and I'm here today to show you my latest crochet pattern. It's what I'm wearing. This blue lace summer top that's perfect for wearing over a camisole, a t-shirt, a tank top, a sundress, any of those things. You could even make it extra long and wear it over a bathing suit if that's what you prefer. It is a free pattern available on my website now. It is an easy pattern. There are a few links to additional resources in the free pattern to help beginners. Let's see what else. It's made in a fingering weight or a size 1 yarn that's called Lindy Chain. It's from We Crochet Knit Picks. It is a blend of linen and cotton. So you can go to my website now and find the free pattern. It's bananamoonstudio.com.